We're doing area problems. A photograph is 8 inches by 10 inches and its border is 2 inches. Find the area of the border. So we'd first do this by making a sketch. So this would be our photograph. Oh no, this would be our photograph. That's would be the border. This would be 8 and this would be 10. Then this place is 2. This place is 2. So the way we do this is we find the area of the whole thing. So we don't know what the area of this is, but we know what the area of, not the length, we know the length of this. Since the border is 2, this whole thing, just right here, will be 10. And since there are 2 on each side, will be 14. So you do the same thing here. 2 on each side, so it'll be 12. So now we find the area, 14 by 12. 168. But now, once we've done that, we need to find, since we're finding the area of only the border and not with the photograph, we need to subtract 80 because 10 times 8 equals to 80. So 168 and it's 80 equals 88 inches. That's the answer. Our next question. Harry made a fishing pond with a brick wall 2 meters wide. He only used 76 meters of brick. Find the length if the length is twice the width. So first, we need to make a sketch now. So this is the pond that he created, and these are his bricks. So we need to find the area of the walkway, aka the brick. So the brick wall. So the area of the wall equals the area of pond plus walk minus pond. We'll just quickly erase that. So what I basically tried to say is the length of the pond is x. This I mean by the pond, and 2x. You only use 76 meters. It's 2 meters wide, so this will be 2, and this would be 2. So that means this whole length is 2x plus 4, and this whole length is x plus 4. That's 4. So now, remember the area of pond and walk, so 2x plus 4 times x plus 4 is counting this whole thing. The entire thing. That's area of pond. So now since we know our number, let's go to the next page. Let's do our equations here. 2x plus, that's a little unclear, plus 4 times x plus 4. These are in brackets. Now we can do it like this. So we multiply this side and multiply this. And then, no, so this, and like that. That's basically how we solve it. So 2x squared plus 8x plus 4x plus 16. So this is 2x squared. This is 2x squared. This is 8x. This is 4x. And this is 16. This is a really long equation. Now our next step is to combine like terms. So we have these two numbers. They can be combined to have 2x squared plus 12x plus 16. Now, next part of the equation, the area of bricks equals area of pond and bricks minus area of pond. So this is the whole thing, area of pond and brick. Now you subtract area of the pond. The area of the pond was, if we go back here, 2x and x. So we just need to multiply these together. 2x times x equals 2x squared. 2x squared would be it. And now our final equation is 12x plus 16, and then if right here it says he only used 76 meters of the brick. So this is the brick, basically the amount of brick he used. But now this equals to 72. So now you can solve this equation pretty easily. Subtract 16 on both sides. 56. And then divide it by 12. You get 4. And then this part would equal to... No, wait, sorry, I made a mistake. I just realized it. It said 76, not 72. I'm sorry, guys. So 72. Not 72, 76. 16 equals to 60. 12x equals to 60. Divide by 12 on each side. X equals to 5. But that's not our answer. So we're trying to find the dimensions of the pond. So x equals to 5, length is 10. So our final answer, w equals to 5, length equals to 10 meters. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you on finding basically the area of the border. Thank you.